Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis, and most importantly I'll be taking you over this short play that I opened on this. And this play I have been talking about from a couple of days before this play even triggered or started. I even talked about it over here, put all the things where my stop loss would be, where would be the trigger point. I mentioned all of those in my videos. If you want to know a little bit more context of that, just go to my channel and just type in SMCI, or you can just go to the videos like SMCI stock big play has begun. And I have talked about pivotal moment. That was the time it was about to just break. And yeah, I have been talking about that particular play on SMCI for quite some time, and a couple of days ago it triggered for me. So we'll go over that. And also, as I said, I'll be talking about what I plan out of it, how much have I already covered my position, because as you know, I like to take partial profits once good amount of move has happened, right? So we'll talk about that as well. I like to take those at significant levels marked by my indicator. So let's jump right into it. Once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion. That's all, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? I take guarantee of nothing, just so you know. Okay, so SMCI over here, right? So this was the area that I was talking about, that this is the structure break. This is when I started talking about when we had this red candle, I think around this time. Check out my videos if you want to know precisely which candle was it. I can't remember actually, but I know this was sometime around here, because that's when, after this, it never triggered the play. It started to go up, but I was like, well, the supply is still sitting over here. A lot of selling is happening all the time at $911 around. As if it continues to come down and break this level, 880, 836, that's what is going to really give it that flush move to the downside. This was the structural break area, guys, 836 in this case. So this is where my play opened. And yeah, I am still in the money, and I took some partial profits out. As you know, I like to take partial profits out. I am out already 50% of my position, and let me actually mark it here so that we can follow along. And 50% short position remaining, because 50% I have already closed. Short position remaining, so that I don't have to check my broker again and again when I do my videos. I'll just mark it over here, and we'll just follow along from this thing. Now, what I plan on doing with the remaining position? Well, so remaining 50% of the position is now, I just have to manage it, right? I already booked some profits. That's great. Now, remaining 25% I'll take out if we get to 693. That's the next level I'm watching on it to the downside. And then other remaining position, let's move this in the corner there. And other I am still looking to see that SMCI can it this time come down to 200 days moving average, but taking partial profits throughout the journey. But yeah, that's the move I would like to fully capture. So remaining 25% position profit I'll take at 693, and then the remaining 25% I'll let it carry as if the price action keeps confirming the downside, right? Can this thing become bullish again? Well, the structure is bearish, guys, right now. That was the break at 836. That structure is confirmed to the downside. If structure has to become back again to the upside, then without breaking further below 763, we need to recapture above 835 and also 855. If we can do that, things will again start to look bullish again on this. Otherwise, no. This thing, in my opinion, has just a room to continue lower. That's what I'm seeing on this thing. So that's on the daily interval and my position update on SMCI. Let's go to the hourly interval. And yeah, clearly in the downtrend, guys, what am I seeing? Lower highs, lower lows, right after the break of structure, right? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We're also below 200 hours moving average. Intraday, right? So you can see, I just did a video on ARM as well, and I was explaining the difference between bull flag and the bearish trend, right? Bull flags are... In bull flags, you don't really see a rejection at the previous area of resistance. You see that things usually go up and they stay very close to the previous high. And we don't really have much break to the downside from the previous low as well. Those usually constitutes to the bull flag, but they're in the uptrend as well. SMCI is in the downtrend. This is no way any bull flag. I mean, this is just falling. All right, this is just the downtrend period. Now, intraday, SMCI, can more pullback come on it? Well, it has to get above 790 first, then intraday maybe some upside can come to 810, but remember, this is just a rebound. All right, and you can see on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, my dashboard, it's saying, yeah, we are in the rebound stage. But yeah, rebound doesn't mean bullish. Rebound just means, just like we have pullbacks in the uptrend, that's how we have rebounds in the downtrend. So technically structure is still bearish. I'll stick with the 60 minutes here. You can see we are bearish here, right? And so the higher time frames tells you the overall structure as well. So 4 hours as well, we are bearish, right? And so yeah, structure is, guys, bearish. And yeah, right now it's just lower highs, lower lows. As if we break 762, the next area we can come down to is 721 and so forth, right? Just, it's a easy peasy simple downtrend right now. So you can see a little bit of support is coming. Well, it's just not this little bit of support. Well, yeah, it's previous areas of held support, right? So that's where we are seeing some support, but that hasn't changed the trend or the direction right now. We will see if it does. And but right now I'm not seeing any signs of that. All right, it's just a little bit of just a rebound coming as for right now. Market, even the last hour, the power hour yesterday, especially with SPY, just bulls just took it over. And SMCI got a little bit of benefit of that, but it didn't change any structure on SMCI. Still, the structure on this thing is still bearish. Cool. Let's take a look at weekly interval as well before wrapping it up. And here we go. So here on the weekly interval, what we have is, yeah, we are below 20 weeks moving average now. Finally, we have cracked that. Yeah, this is, yeah. I'm, again, as I said, there's nothing critical on this structure, guys, you know, and as if we lose 693, that will open up the door to come down to this. Here we have 50 weeks moving average, but I'll say 200 days moving average on the daily is what you should be tracking. Weekly interval is more for the sentiment, but for trading, I use daily interval and hourly interval and lower time frames, and for swing trading as well, right? Cool. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Also, just before wrapping up, like I talked about QQ and SPY already. But if you want to know, well, you just go to my channel actually, right? And just look at it, crash canceled, right? This is what I'm talking here. Is that what happened? So check out that QQ and SPY video if you want to know more about it. But yeah, wow, look at the bulls, how they rotated it, right? And they recaptured this level, guys, 524. That was the pivotal structure area. And so yeah, SPY is fully in control on the bullish side. And yeah, 524 is the level to watch for this. That's a pivotal area on the side of structure, either be remaining bullish or its weakness gonna come. But we are above that. Structure is still on full on bullish right now. All right. Okie dokie, guys. Well, that's it. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.